So in your blog in Strikingly, if you want to go ahead and schedule out a post, then in your blog, you can simply go around over here and click on Manage Your Blog. And then over here, you can go to Write New Post right here. So as usual, what you simply need to do is go ahead and write in your post. So over here, you can see that the editor window opened up. So I'm simply going to go around and say sample schedule right here, just like this, and say sample. Let me just go ahead and type in sample right here as well. So if you want to go ahead and schedule this, simply go ahead and click on publish. And then you can see that you have two options right here. The first one is publish now, and the other one is schedule for later. This is what I want. So as I go ahead and select this, I can go ahead and select a particular date. And then you can see that you can only select, let's say, for example, certain dates right here as you want right here, and then go ahead and set the time, which is displayed as per your system time. So you can go ahead and press OK right here, and then simply go ahead and click on let's say, for example, schedule. You can see the time zone right here, just like this as well, on which this is based on. So if you were to go ahead and click on schedule, the post will become scheduled right here. So you can see it says schedule. So if I were to go around over here right here, you can cancel out the schedule if you want to as well, and go ahead and publish it now, or simply go ahead and schedule it again. So if I were to go back right here, this is what you have, as you can see, and then you can go around over here and see the option to edit or publish it right now. So if you want to publish it right now, you can go ahead and select that out and work around with that. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with scheduling of posts inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.